Hello, today I'm going to talk about the koi watercolors. It's the Sakura, I hope that's how you're pronouncing it, Field 24 watercolors with brush sketch set. I have always loved to paint, and even though I am terrible at it, I love it. Watercolor is a great medium, and I always have liked painting while I'm out, so I got this kit about a year ago, and as you can see, it's in like really great condition. It basically looks brand new. That's because I don't use it every day, but I also am very good at cleaning it and just keeping it together. It's also very easy to clean, which is nice. I do it every few months when I am in the mood. And it comes in this white plastic container. And there are 24 colors to choose from. So I'm not going to name all the colors, but you can see here that there are many of them and a wide variety. And then on each side there are sponges for me to like wipe my brush on, or kind of get less water, or whatever kind of technique I'm using. These sponges are cool and they're great to have, and I'm happy that they're included. And then there is a tray to actually mix colors and get organized, or even if you just want to put like something over it so you can use it kind of as a drawing table. And in this type of art, it's good to mix colors and experiments and adventure with colors. There is a brush right here, so it doesn't look like a brush right now. But basically, this part is full of water, and what happens is, I can show you in just a second, but basically what happens is you put this brush on here, and you screw it on, and then without even needing to dip it into water, you have water going through it. So I'll demonstrate that in just a second. And what's nice is it is refillable, so all you have to do is get more water if you run out here. Although I found that it lasts a pretty long time, and usually through multiple paints. Like, I haven't changed this since 2 times that I've painted. In case things get really messy, which they don't usually, it's just really easy to wipe down this container and very simple to clean out. And the case is small enough to put in a purse or bring with you on trips, so it's like portable, which is nice. You can put it in your luggage. It's not heavy, it's not bulky, and everything has its place. I love the range of colors on the palette here. The watercolor paint is solid right now, but it definitely does liquefy, and it's pigmented, very pigmented, so the color really comes out strong. It's not this cheap stuff that you get at the dollar store. It is very strong stuff. It's very nice quality, and it's not liquid, obviously, or oily. It's just regular watercolor. It comes in different sizes. They make the same type of thing, but with 12 colors, and they go all the way up to 48 colors. So they have a lot of different boxes and different versions of this set, and it just depends on how many colors you need. I found that 24 was more than enough for me, and it works really well for when I want to blend. Sakura was founded in 1921, and they specialize in quality art material. Sakura of America is located in California, but it's definitely Japanese. And this is just a great gift idea for an artist. I believe Sakura, when they first started out before watercolor, they were doing crayons, and then they broaden their spectrum and they do a lot of different types of artistic material now that they sell, and it's just very good quality and it's very simple, and I love how easy it is basically. And let me show you this brush. So basically, just to give you an idea, this is the brush itself. You take off this little cap here that was on this and you screw it on. I don't think I have any watercolor painting paper, to demonstrate. I don't have any watercolor paper to demonstrate, but I am showing you kind of how it fits together. So the screw is on and then the water kind of goes through here, so you don't have to dip your paintbrush in a separate glass of water. So it's very useful, very convenient, and it's great if you're traveling because it's not as messy. You don't have to worry about where you're putting all the water and paints and things like that. Thank you so much for watching this video.